Hi there, welcome to the ukestuff channel and welcome to this tutorial for the play-along videos of Vacation by Dirty Heads. Now this is a clean video. The swear word that happens several times through the song has been edited out. Now what we're going to do in this video is, first of all, we're going to look at the chords you need for GCEA soprano, concert, or tenor ukulele. Then we'll take a look at the chords you need for DGBE baritone ukulele, and then I'll give you some strumming suggestions. You can skip ahead by using the scroll bar at the bottom of the screen to different chapters, and those chapters also appear in the description below, along with a number of other bits of information if you want to check it out, including how to request songs. If you like the chords that are used in the song, you can actually download the tabs or the chord chart at ukestuff.info. Ukestuff is a collaborator with this site. So let's begin with the chords you need for GCEA soprano, concert, or tenor ukulele. I'll be using this instrument. It is my Luna Ziracote concert ukulele. The first chord you need is the C chord. The second chord you need is the A minor chord. The third chord you need is the E minor chord. Now, some people struggle with this. It's one of my favorite chords. You put your first finger on the first string, second fret, second finger on the second string, third fret, and third finger on the third string, fourth fret. It sort of makes a waterfall. Now, some books will say that you need to use all four fingers, and that does make E minor a movable shape up and down the neck, but you don't need it to create this chord. And then the final chord you need is the G chord. And those are the four chords you need to play Vacation on soprano, concert, or tenor ukulele. Now let's talk about the chords you need to play Vacation on baritone DGBE ukulele. I'll be using this instrument. It's my Flight NUB 310 ukulele. Now this one does ship as of 2021 with GCEA strings. So if you want it in baritone tuning, you have to put other strings on. I run Living Waters strings, complete fluorocarbon strings on here that can be ordered directly from Ken Middleton. All right, the first chord is the C chord. Then you have the A minor chord, just add one finger to that shape. Then the E minor, lift up two fingers. And then finally the G chord. Quite honestly, it doesn't get much easier on baritone ukulele than those four chords for Vacation on baritone DGBE ukulele. All right, now that we've talked about the chords that you need to use for the song, let's talk about strumming. Now before we begin the strumming, let's just review the fact that there is no one right answer for this song. There are some wrong strumming patterns, but there's no one right answer. And these are just a couple ideas that will work with the style of the song. Now, it is a song with a reggae beat where there is an event happening on beats 2 and 4. So you have rest, 2, rest, 4, rest, 2, rest, 4, no matter what you do. So let's just try that for a second. We're going to strum on beats 2 and 4, just to down strum. So we'll start with the C chord. 1, 2, 3, 4, rest. 2, 3, 4, A minor. 2, 3, E minor. 1, 2, 3, 4, E minor. 2, 3, 4, C. 2, 3, 4, A minor. 2, 3, E minor. Now the G. And that's the sequence of the whole song. C, A minor, E minor, E minor. C, A minor, E minor, G. That's how it goes. So the first pattern is just to play on beats 2 and 4 with a down strum. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, rest. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's answer number 1, and it works quite well for the song. Now let's take a look at that really quickly on baritone. It's the same thing, just sounds a little different. All right, here it is on baritone. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you really want to challenge yourself, you could learn the other positions up the neck and play those four chords higher up in the neck and then just mute with your left hand. You could do that as well. I'm not going to go over that in this video, But what I will give you is one more advancing idea. And this idea is to play a single string for the start of each chord sequence. So what you'll actually do is pick on the first beat, strum on 2 and 4 then, and that's how that would work. All right, so let me show you where those lowest notes are in each chord, and you can work through it. The first one on the C chord is going to be the third string. It's a C string, right? GCEA. So you'll pluck that and then strum 2, rest 4. Then you'll change to the A minor chord. Now, where's the lowest note there? It has to either be the first string or the fourth string. I'm usually going to play the fourth string because it's closest to me. The next chord is the E minor chord. Where is the lowest sounding E of the E minor chord? Well, it's going to be on string 3. So then you'd pluck string 3. So far we've got string 3, string 4, string 3. And you can see how that really replicates what you're hearing in this song. Now we have one more final chord to put in, the G chord. So where is the lowest sounding G going to be? Well, it's either going to be the fourth string or the second string. My guess is that you'll want to do the fourth string, so you have a pattern going 3, strum, strum, 4, strum, strum, 3, strum, strum, 4, strum, strum. Okay, let's see if we can do that. Starting on 3, that's our C note, right? 1, 2, ready, go. 3, strum, strum, 4, strum, strum, 3, strum, strum, 3, strum, strum. Now where? Back to the C again, so still on 3. 3, strum, strum, 4, strum, strum, 3, strum, strum, 4, strum, strum. And you can speed that up, but you can see how eventually that, again, really does match the pattern that you hear. Now, things get a little different on baritone ukulele, so let's take a look at which strings you'd play for baritone. Okay, on baritone, the C chord, the C, lowest C that you're going to hear, is string 2. The second chord, which is the A minor chord, is going to be the third string. Then we've got the E minor chord. What string is going to be the lowest one? Fourth one. So you've just gone 2, strum, strum, 3, strum, strum, 4, strum, strum. Let's do it. 1, 2, ready, go. 2, strum, strum, 3, strum, strum, 4, strum, strum, and then it happens again. 4, strum. Back to the C, 2, 2, strum, A minor, so 3, strum, strum. Then the E minor again, 4, strum, strum. Now what about the G chord? The lowest sounding G is going to be string 3, DGBE. So 2, 3, 4, 3 in the sequence. So let's do the whole thing. 1, 2, ready, go. 2, strum, strum, 3, strum, strum, 4, strum, strum, 4, strum, strum, 2, strum, strum, 3, strum, strum, 4, strum, strum, 3, strum, strum. And that's another way that you can approach playing the song with a strumming and a picking pattern. All right, so those chords and those strumming patterns will definitely give you a start on playing Vacation. Thanks so much for joining me on this video. I hope you're having a great day, and I'll be back soon with some more uke stuff for you.